Iris Street Renovation, week 185. I'm Adam, and we're doing a bunch of gardening and yard work this week. On Friday, I'm baking bread. As the months get warmer, the ambient temperature gets better and better for proofing dough. And since this is sourdough, the final proof will take about 1 to 2 hours. Outside, the new grass seed is still in its early days, but this bald spot is slowly showing signs of greening up. Ever since I installed the second auto unit by the sidewalk, its location has been bugging me. It's kind of an eyesore, and it can't reach the grass on the other side of the driveway. So, I decided to extend the hose to this unit and relocate it next to the driveway. In this location, it'll be able to water one more zone, and it should blend into the scenery when a car is parked in the driveway. Best of all, it won't look like I've erected a tombstone right off the sidewalk. Tomorrow is Mother's Day, so I'm baking some goodies to take to my mom and my grandma. These chocolate chip cookies are a regular in my baking rotation, but I'm also trying my hand at some lemon bars for the first time. On Sunday, we're at my grandma's farm to celebrate Mother's Day. Springtime means calving season, so Willow and I head to the corrals to check out if there are any babies out and about. Spoiler, there are. There's a coyote.
They're looking at me. They're looking at you. Ooh, look a little friendly bird. That bird is nice. Adam.
Mm-hmm.
I'm being a pin.
Wow.
You are too.
I am.
Hey, there's some value. It's like a value.
They probably like that. In the evening, I run the 9-mile loop by my parents' house with my sister and Travis and check out this sunset we were treated to. On Monday, I bring my plants outside, something I do during the day to harden them off. Soon, these little babies are going to be full-time outdoor kitty cats, and they need to be prepared for the rigors of outdoor living. On my lunch break, I install the final auto unit. This singular unit will water about 85% of the backyard, which is good enough for me. Before wrapping up the job, I install a fertilizer bottle in the first bay. These units can accept up to 3 cartridges of anything you'd like: lawn food, plant food, lemongrass insect repellent, an odor eliminator for pet urine, you name it. For now, I'm just trying this bottle of lawn food, so we'll see how it goes. That's a wrap for week 185. Thanks for tuning in, and until the next one, happy renovating.